Welcome to this mini Spanish lesson with Sugar Astronaut. Let's learn something new about Spanish. If you want to watch the complete lesson, you can find a link to it in the video description down below. Now let's move on. Let's talk about the next meaning of the verb faltar. The second meaning is when talking about lacking or when not having enough of something. That's also similar to the first meaning, but in this situation, we're talking about not having enough, okay? And something that is not enough. Maybe you have a little bit, but you need more. Excellent. Let's look at an example. Falta dinero para comprarlo. Falta dinero para comprarlo. This means there isn't enough money to buy it. So it looks like someone wants to buy something. We could be talking about a car or even a house, something that can be very expensive. Let's break this down. Falta, falta. This is the verb faltar, of course. And this means there isn't enough of something. Dinero, in this case, dinero. Dinero means money. Para, to comprarlo. Comprarlo means buy it. Comprar is the verb and lo is it. Okay, so lo can mean it. Comprarlo. If we're talking about a house, it would be more like comprarla. Comprarla. Why? Because a house is a feminine noun. La casa. So that's why you need la. If we're talking about a car, for example, carro, el carro, then you can just change it to lo. Comprarlo. Why? Because carro is a masculine noun. El carro. So we need to pay attention to those details. Falta dinero para comprarlo. There isn't enough money to buy it. Where is the verb faltar? Right at the beginning. You can learn just to say falta, falta, and that means there isn't enough of something. Okay, so that is very useful to learn. Faltar can mean to lack or to not have enough of something. Excellent. Now let's move on. Let's look at another basic meaning of the verb faltar. I want to give a big shout out to our Cafecito members, Christopher Michael, Ruby Brockenberry, Regulation D, Hanko Juan, Christine Mache, Wadi Bader, Formula Air JSC, Alan K, James Torma, Judy Baldock, Geraldo Sandoval, Locke Tran, Michael Lee, Pan Lin Rong, and D, who got a Cafecito membership recently. Thank you so much to all our Cafecito members. If you want me to give you a shout out, you can check out the Cafecito membership by clicking on the join button down below. Thank you so much.